What up everyone, I'm back, it's your favorite boy, JG Tech, with another video, and the video is about a new keyboard for me. It came out for a long time, for a couple of months, I don't know how long, but it's not new, but it is the MX Mechanical wireless keyboard from Logitech, specifically target people that works. And here is the unboxing and everything that's about this keyboard. Let's get into it. Bye! This is called the MX Mechanical keyboard from Logitech. This is the full-size version. You can also get a mini. It will set you back from $150 to $170 on Logitech's website. So what is this all about? Well, it's the Master series, and it's specific for people that want to use it for work, not gaming. It can support multiple iOS layouts, so Mac, Linux, Android, iPhone, Windows, iPad, and it can connect to three different users at the same time. So if you want, you can then have an Android but also a Mac and a Windows connected to it at the same time. Then you can switch it between them very easily. It have Bluetooth 5 and it have the dongle with the USB dongle that is 2.4 GHz from Logitech. It is wireless and it's gonna be charged with USB-C. Yay! Fuck USB Micro A. I hate USB Micro 8.
Oh, fuck off!
This is USB-C, so thank you so much. It's aluminum body with, of course, with red switches, low profile, tactical. I will get you the sound in a minute, but it's the Master series. It's let me just say, it's a very nice typing experience, and it can hold very long. Logitech says this keyboard can hold soon 7 months of charging without dying. But I've used it so far on 0.5%, but It's very quick to charge because it is USB-C, USB-A to USB-C, so quick charging, very nice. No wireless charging, just with a cable. That's totally fine with me. Also, yeah, 7 months. It can be maxed out battery with I think it was no lighting on this, just no lighting at all. It can hold to 7 months of use. If you have the light on 50%, it is 3 or 4 months, and so on. So, and let me just say, it is also on Mac, so I have the Mac layout too up here with the Mac in different size on it, but it's also Windows, so don't be confused if there's Mac keys on this too. It is meant to be Windows and Mac, so you don't need to switch. It's also very just cool, lovely keyboard. It's actually quite heavy. Let me just take example. This is my keyboard I'm using for gaming. This is the G915 TKL wireless. This is a little bit heavier because it's also full size, but still, I can feel this is a little bit also. It's very sturdy. The keys is very sturdy. If this is rarely. This is linear switches, not clicky, but still, this is very sturdy keycaps. I will give you the sound in a minute, but very expensive, but it's a goddamn good keyboard. So that's pretty much what this is about, a low profile. So I will put a link if you want to check it out. I can say one thing, I would recommend it if you want to work and you work on Mac, but also you work on Windows. This is a great keyboard for using both options. If you're constantly be switching between Android, Mac, iPad, Windows, and iOS, this is a great keyboard. We can connect to 3 different at the same time, and you can just switch it because that's easy because there's 3 buttons. Specifically macro, somewhere up here in the top, macro to switch it between the three you connected to, the 3 iOS, PCs, whatever it is connected, so it's easy to switch between. And now it is time to do the sound check of the switches. Let's go! Well, if you did love this video, remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below. It will mean the world to me. Also help this video to grow so other people can see how great content this is and just grow overall the community. So I will also put a link down to this keyboard if you liked it, if you want to check it out. Give a link down below. So nothing further than that. I'll see you all in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay amazing, stay awesome, stay beautiful, and stay yourself. JG Tech is signing out. Bye bye. Peace.